Let me tell you a little story about carbon filters. Carbon filter is your most important filter, not expensive, but important. That protects the RO membrane. And the RO membrane is the workhorse of your RDI system, filtering 95, 97% of the total dissolved solids out. But it gets attacked by chlorine. Carbon filter removes the chlorine from the water. If you change your carbon filter on a regular basis, RO membranes will last 5 to 7 years. Carbon filters come in different sizes. This 2.5-inch filter is sort of like a tennis ball's worth of product. There's not a lot of media in this filter. So it lasts, single operator, 2 jet brush, get 0.7 gallon a minute, 360 a day if you only work 6 hours a day. So it's about 27 days if you work 5 days a week, a little longer if you took a day off here or there. 5, 6 weeks, this filter is going to be used up. The diameter of the tennis ball, even if you have 2, doesn't add that much more media compared to going to a larger 4.5 filter. It's 6 times more media. This is 60,000 gallons and it'll last about 33 weeks. Then you can go up by doubling the size in height, 120,000 gallons, a year's worth of work, 60 weeks. We recommend changing it at the beginning of the season if you're a single operator. But what happens is people are using more water now. That's just a single 2-jet brush. If you got a 4-jet brush, if you're using solar brushes, if you've got multiple operators, you're going to push more water through these filters. If you do more work than a single operator, change your filter more frequently than we just described. Now, let's say you have one of these 4-stage systems. It's got a sediment filter that looks like this and a carbon filter. Most carbon filters are sediment filters. Is a 5-micron sediment filter. So next time you replace your filter pack, put 2 carbon filters in, you'll get twice the amount of expected life. So with this one on a single operator, instead of 6 weeks, you could change it every 3 months, not having to worry about how frequently they have to change that filter. So put 2 of these in your 4-stage. Steve Blythe, Pro Tool, J.Racenstein.